Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video is going to be all about an anti-aging skincare routine featuring Sulwhasoo products. So I finally tried out their Timetreasure line. So I bought the kit and it comes with a full-size moisturizer. It also comes with the Timetreasure Invigorating Serum and the Timetreasure Invigorating Sleeping Mask. Then this is the Timetreasure Invigorating Emulsion. And then it also comes with another small travel size cream, which I'm just going to say for the kit and what you pay for it, I feel like this should have been an eye cream so you can get every step. But I guess if they just put a mini one of this. So the Timetreasure line in general focuses on skin elasticity. So the more that you use it, the more you will see not only is your skin healthier and more plump, but it also delivers tightness to your skin without over drying it. So with Sulwhasoo products, I definitely recommend using the serum first after you've cleansed. So once I've double cleansed, I go ahead in with the Timetreasure Invigorating Serum. So this is a super small bottle, but it did last me enough to try it out to see if I liked it. It did run out very fast, but I am going to repurchase the full size. The serum is a super lighter weight serum, but it has a very velvety texture, so it absorbs really fast. So after I've double cleansed, I hit my skin with the serum, like literally put it all over my face and my neck. Want to lock in this good ingredient serum with the emulsion. So the emulsion looks like this. It is another small bottle, but I feel like this goes a lot longer than the serum does. But what I do is after the serum, you grab the emulsion, which is like a lighter weight lotion. All of these products have more of like a fragrant herbal scent to them. It's not just herbal, it definitely smells more fragrant, florally type finish, I guess. It does absorb very well, so you can layer it once or twice. Once the first layer of the emulsion fully absorbs in, I go ahead in with a second layer. So I'll just layer it on exactly where I put the first. So there's the emulsion, and then I rub it in again. It's going to look completely absorbed into your skin, but you're going to start to feel the layers on your skin just because the emulsion is a little bit thicker. So the first layer of protection and anti-aging is ready to go. Now you're going to go in with the Timetreasure cream. I worked through this whole thing of cream, and it's definitely a richer, luxurious, more type feeling. At first it felt a little suffocating because it's that thick. I really just had to get used to the texture and the thickness of this cream because it does work. Within a week you will be able to tell that the skin is a lot more bouncier, but not only bouncier, it's a lot firmer feeling. The feeling is not tightness in the skin, it's feeling literally like, I know this contains red pine ingredient, which is a natural ingredient that's really good for anti-aging, and also has a lot less chemicals compared to a lot of traditional like counter luxury brands. So this cream just checks all the boxes to what you need for an anti-aging, good quality, luxurious cream. Show you the mini size layered on top of the emulsion. So the mini size looks like this that came in the kit, and the cream itself, see how thick it is? Nothing comes out. It's like a solid cream, almost like a balm feeling texture. So I just take a generous amount and I apply it right on top of the emulsion. So how you know your skin is ready for the cream is you feel the emulsion and serum and it's really sticky. Like it's going to feel tacky, and then you're just gonna layer the cream on top of that. Layering the cream. My hand's getting all the anti-aging today. Trying to show you guys in the light, you see how the skin just came alive and how much of a glowy type sealed texture it has. So it's literally like sealing in all your moisture and it's penetrating your skin with all of those ingredients. So you already have within these steps 3 to 4 layers on your skin. It's going to take a little getting used to this skincare routine because when you feel your skin after these 3 to 4 layers, it does feel really thick and heavy. At first I was like, ugh, this feels too greasy, like uncomfortable. That's just how it's working. Just think of it as layers of protection for your skin. And even though it does feel like it's on the surface a little bit more greasier and tackier, it definitely does still penetrate just as good as fast absorbing products. Last and final step within this skincare routine that came in the kit is the Sulwhasoo Timetreasure sleeping pack. Now you probably would think, well, why do I need a sleeping pack if the moisturizer is super thick? But the moisturizer, the serum, the emulsion, you want to really lock those in and make sure that they're protected and working overnight. So a sleeping pack is going to seal everything that you just did and then protect your skin even more. I found that it works way better not to put the sleeping pack right away after the moisturizer. Let all those layers that you just put kind of seal down, wait a few minutes, and then go in with the sleeping pack. And of course, if we're using a sleeping pack, I definitely recommend you guys do this at nighttime. And anti-aging skincare routines just in general, I find work way better at night because you're not out and about, you're not sweating off the product. Waited a few minutes and the moisturizer has set down. I go in with the sleeping pack, and this is just a small little tube bottle, but it's definitely a more heavier sleeping pack just like the other products. So you see it's like kind of like a thicker but still a little bit lighter than the moisturizer cream, almost like the emulsion. But when you start spreading it over, it feels almost like an ointment. And you just want to seal that moisturizer and those steps with that. And bam, you're done. So again, compared to this hand, you see how like beaming and anti-aging that looks just doing this step by step for a few minutes. And then from this hand, how dry it looks. And then all you got to do is either you can add an eye cream that you have on your own. I definitely recommend a Sulwhasoo eye cream to go with all of these steps. But any eye cream is great because make sure that is in your anti-aging skincare routine. It definitely helps. And the last step in the skincare routine is to go to sleep. So make sure that you have all of these products nicely layered on your face and get some beauty rest, and then they can work their magic for your anti-aging. When using this kit, again, at first, if it feels too heavy and sticky for you guys, just give it time and try to get used to it. So just give it time and try to get used to it as best you can, especially if you are used to the other Sulwhasoo lines. They are much more lightweight. Even if you layer them, they feel a lot less thick. The Timetreasure anti-aging routine line definitely is a lot thicker. It's just something I can tell you guys right off the bat that it will feel a little uncomfortable at first, especially if you're not used to it, wearing such thick layers on the skin. But just know that's how it's working. It does have a herbally / fragrant smell to it, meaning that it doesn't just smell like herbs compared to other Sulwhasoo products that smell really holistic and herby and fade away. The scent fades away really quickly. As far as the Timetreasure line, it definitely smells like OG skincare, meaning that it has a fragrance to it, and even when you wake up in the morning, you would be able to smell that kind of herbally fragrant scent still. So it's a much richer, thicker creams with a lot more scent to them, so keep that in mind. So the texture within the cream and the sleeping pack, if you do have sensitivity in your skin, I know this kind of happens to me a lot, is that it can get trapped under an ointment feeling type cream. My skin gets super itchy, and sometimes it does cause like flare-ups within the skin. Unfortunately, with these, it doesn't do that. If it does though, for you guys, I really suggest, just like acne prone skin, to use only the serum and the emulsion, and then go ahead with your normal moisturizer or sleeping pack, way that your skin's not suffocating underneath or feels too uncomfortable. I personally at first did feel that, like a little bit of irritation just because of how heavy these products are, but within time I slowly started to incorporate the moisturizer and the sleeping pack, and your skin will get used to it, and the layers aren't as uncomfortable feeling the more you use them. This is the only skincare kit that I have used that really have shown me the results, like the real results of anti-aging. This is the only one that I've seen used within a week to 2 weeks that my skin texture has changed. I did do different product reviews from the line in the past, so I will put them in the description box down below. If you guys have any questions or comments about these products, let me know in the comments down below. Also guys, let me know if you've tried Sulwhasoo, what product is your favorite and works best for you. That being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in my next skincare video. Bye!